So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D donut chart to your presentation here on the Keynote application. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top and make sure that chart is selected. Make sure that 2D chart is selected. So if you're on 3D or interactive, just go to 2D right here. Now for a donut chart, go to the fourth option down and then go to the option that's on the right hand side of your screen. It's this chart right here. Press on that. Now if you want to verify that you have a donut chart, press on the chart right here, go to the right hand side to where it says chart type, and where it says 2D donut, press on that and make sure that 2D donut is selected. So if you're on pie chart, for instance, and you want to change that to a donut chart, it works the exact same way. So very straightforward, very simple. That is how to add a 2D donut chart to a presentation here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.